Welcome. In this short lesson, we'll build a tiny C# program that checks whether a positive integer is a multiple of 3 or 7. This is a classic beginner exercise that teaches conditional logic, input validation, and the modular operator, which is the primary tool for divisibility checks. I will also show a robust version that validates the user input so it won't crash on bad data, and prints a clear result. By the end, you'll understand how to use int.TryParse, check positivity, and combine conditions with logical OR. Let's get started. Here's what we want to accomplish. We accept a single integer input, but we insist it's positive. The exercise explicitly targets positive numbers. We'll also cover 3 example inputs to make sure that the input behavior is clear. Also, we'll handle invalid inputs such as non-numeric strings and negative numbers with friendly messages instead of letting the program crash. The code is intentionally defensive and beginner friendly. int.TryParse prevents exceptions from malformed input. We check where x is less than or equal to 0 to enforce the positive requirement, and give a helpful message when the input fails that check. The central logic is a single boolean expression using the modular operator and logical OR. It evaluates to true if either divisor fits. The program then prints the boolean result to the console, exactly as the sample outputs. Step by step, we read the input string, attempt to parse it into an integer, validate positive, then evaluate the divisibility boolean and print it. The algorithm runs in constant time. Only a handful arithmetic and logical operations, and uses constant memory. This makes it safe to use even in tight loops or repeated checks. These examples cover the common scenarios. Notice, 21 returns true because both conditions hold. The OR operator short circuits, but the final boolean is still true. Also, note the program rejects non-integers and non-positive integers with a user-friendly message. That helps avoid ambiguity when running from a console. Although the particular checks, 3 or 7, is small, modular-based rules show up frequently scheduling tasks at intervals, distributing items into buckets, simple filters in data pipelines, and teaching examples for conditionals. The pattern you learn here generalizes to any pair or set of devices and can be extended to lists of devices or dynamic rules. To wrap up, this is a tiny but instructive exercise. Learn to parse inputs safely, validate edge cases, and use modulo for divisibility. Once you're comfortable, try extending the program to accept a list of devices or read a batch of integers and print the results for each. That's a neat next step for practicing loops and arrays. Thanks for following along. Keep experimenting and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.